Good morning, X Factors. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. I am about to do my fasted cardio. I'm getting my burn right here. Use this every single morning before my fasted cardio. Your hemp, L-carnitine, caffeine, a bunch of great ingredients that's gonna help with the thermogenic effect in the body. So take it every single morning before fasted cardio. I'm up late a little bit today. I woke up at 4:45 today. I normally wake up at 4:30. So I am behind just a little bit, but that is okay. This is what we're using right here. So I like to get 8 ounces of water and some ice. Shake that up. And then I have another water bottle right here, just water. So this is what I'm doing for my fasted cardio. Oh yeah, today we will be doing a full day of eating, so I'm gonna take you guys along the journey. I'll explain everything later. Let me go ahead and do my cardio, and then I'll jump back in here and let you guys know what the macronutrients will be, what the calories will be like, and how the day is gonna go. All right, y'all, so this is the fasted cardio that I'm doing currently. I'm switching things up. I've been doing a treadmill on incline, flat for a while now, right? So I wanted to change some things up, just see if the body will adapt a little differently to certain things. And riding a bike is still a good form of cardio, but it will take a lot out of you. You got cyclists out there who get it in, but we're just pretty much keeping the heart rate up, just keeping the body moving, legs flowing at a good resistance. And then sometimes I up it, sometimes I lower it. This right here is the MERACH brand right here, so pretty legit. You guys know I have a rower out there in the garage as well from the same company, super legit company. You can hear how quiet it is, so listen. Yeah, so you probably can't hear anything. I'm currently in the house. So quiet, so peaceful that I'm able to bring this in. Treadmill, can't bring that in the house. It's just extremely too loud. Can't even watch TV. This is a great piece of equipment to just have handy. And again, this is what I'm using for my fasted cardio. So let me give you guys a quick review of what it's actually looking like from this point of view. So right here, you have a legit knob right here, so it will cycle between your miles, your time, your calories burned, and keep your eye on all that. So I like to look at my Apple Watch just to make sure everything's legit. But if I didn't have the Apple Watch, I could just simply look at the dial right here. I can have an iPad. Right now I have my phone. Now, although I am in front of the TV right there, I'd rather have the phone right here just because I can click and I can move around a little bit more. But yeah, if I want to watch some TV, I can just kick it right here. Watch the lovely TV. Got YouTube on right there. Got 2 cup holders right here. So this right here, I have my fasted shake right here that I like to drink, my powder. And this right here, I just have some water. So nice dual cup holders right there. This, we have a resistance, so I can crank it up. If I turn this way, which is clockwise, I can crank it up. Or if I turn it down here, I can turn down the resistance. So the resistance is going to be very important when we're trying to increase that heart rate and burn more calories. So you want to have that resistance up high, but again, it'll get tough and you'll start moving really, really, really slow. So you can turn the resistance down a bit and just get more of a fluent motion right there, just like that. So it's all personal preference. You'll get better over time, but I do recommend that you kind of cycle through your different cardio exercises to see which one your body responds to the best, because at the same time, we can burn calories in everything, all cardio exercises, but some are just more enjoyable, and we want to make sure that we're doing this for the long term. All right, no quick fixes. We want to make sure we have longevity in this game. Let me show you guys something else. So right here is the seat. So we have this handle right here where we are able to loosen it up, and we can raise the seat like this. See that? So it has 8 levels. So this is level 8 right here. We can just lock it in. Like again, if you want to be one of those cyclists out there, this actually is 7. So this is close to the max, but you can have your seat extremely high. And then you also can raise this up. And this is for taller individuals or just the folks who want to get a different angle on how they're sitting. You can raise this up as well, but you need to make sure you loosen it up. And this one has 5 levels. So I have it on level 3. This is level 3 right here. So level 3 in the handle, level 7 right here, and you can see how high it just went. So I'm lowering the seat now. So I'm going to lower it actually all the way to level 1. Nice, simple. Just like that, it locks in place. And you can tighten it up, get it nice and tight. And I like to hit it like this. And actually, let me raise this up a bit too. They have holes in it so it locks in place. So this is the max right here. So level 5 for the handle. And I like it because I can have more of a relaxed bike ride, because the handle is in a good place and the seat is in a good place. So I'm not a cyclist or anything like that. So I'm actually just trying to get some cardio in, all right? Trying to burn that fat. So like this right here. Now what it actually does have is a Bluetooth feature, so you can actually scan a QR code on here and download the app. I already have the app because I have a Roar machine already from the same brand, but you have an app and you can connect everything to your app. So this bike will actually track all your workouts and it'll put it right there on the app. And so if you need to go back in time, go back in history and see what did you do the day before, or what did you do the week before, you'll be able to just go to your log. I got a code for you guys to save you guys some money. So make sure you look on the screen, look into that description box, but I have a code for you guys. I highly recommend a machine like this. Nice, quiet, relaxing, peaceful. I'm gonna show you guys one more thing. So right here at the bottom, you can actually increase the level just to make sure that your bike is stationary. So it has knobs in the front. It also has knobs in the back. Again, this is just to make sure everything is stationary and leveled on whatever platform that you have. Nice and sturdy. All right, X Factors, let's drive it home, no pun intended. The MERACH S26 Exercise Bike is a versatile powerhouse of indoor cycling with ultra stability, whisper quiet operation, and personalized training. So 4 things I want to hit on is the ultra stability. This thing is stainless steel, all right? It will hold up to 270 pounds, okay? So any and almost everybody can get on this thing. Super quiet, as I spoke about before. The belt drive reduces the noise. Even when you're at high speed, it's still going to be quiet. You're not waking anybody up. Also, it's easy to assemble, guys. I did this in less than 30 minutes. It's super quick. And then we have real-time workout data, which I spoke about earlier. You have the time on there, the speed, the distance, and the calories. Everything will be tracked. All right, you guys, fasted cardio is complete. I am ready for work. First thing on the menu is going to be meal number 1. So I'm grabbing my egg whites. That's first. These are the egg whites that I use. I've been eating English muffins, so these are the English muffins. I'm only going to do 1 today. I'm also going to grab 1 whole egg. I always do at least 1 whole egg just to get that yolk in for that healthy fat. For the English muffin, I've been putting on some sugar-free jam right here. So this is the orange marmalade. Gotta spray the I can't believe it's not butter on the eggs. And then last but not least, I gotta get at least 40 grams of these Quaker oats right here. These are the quick 1-minute oats. These are the oats that I recommend. The whole oats, the rolled oats, the steel cut oats. Nah, I need the quick 1-minute oats, and I need it cooked to perfection. So I'm about to hook up meal number 1. I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like when it's all complete. While we wait for the eggs to be cooked over here on the stove, let me show you guys something. Look at this. We got the lineup right here. We got double chocolate. We got the chocolate chip. We have the strawberry toaster pastry, and we have the milk and cookies. Y'all, I told y'all I was gonna bring y'all some different flavors to the channel. This right here I have not tried before, but I'm not gonna try it yet. Actually, last night, me and the queen had chocolate ganache. It was extremely amazing. We put it in the microwave for 10 to 12 seconds. I think it was actually came out to about 12 seconds, and it was soft, amazing. So I know this one's gonna hit as well. I'm gonna try this one. Shout out to you guys who told me to heat it up. So when I heat up the chocolate chip, it just didn't do it. It didn't do it at all. But when I heat up this, when I give this some good heat, I know it's going to be amazing. So you can see the difference here. So it is loaded with chocolate chips, and this has the pastry inside, the strawberry pastry inside, but this has all of the fixings, and the chocolate ganache was crazy as well. This probably is pretty similar to the chocolate chip, but we will see. Code X Factor down below. You guys click that link, save you some money and get you some of these protein cookies. 18 grams of protein. The fats are normally around 18 to 20, and then the carbs are normally around 50 to 60. So if you are having higher carb, I do recommend it, but you can also cut the cookie in half and just eat half of it. But it is a really great source of protein, especially on the go, and especially if you are on any type of diet or restrictions, this right here will satisfy you. Shout out to the queen once again. So these are all my prep foods. Right there on the top, we have basmati rice, then we have chicken underneath that, and then we have some sweet potatoes, and then we have ground beef. So these right here are my daily food consumption. I always do ground beef, and I always do the rice, do that mixture, and I like to do the sweet potatoes and the chicken because I like to eat them together. And then when I come home, I normally do a salad of some sort and maybe get a little bit more carbs with some tortillas or something like that. But for the most part, these are the only items that I consume throughout the day, or while I'm away from home, while I'm at work. All right, you guys, before I stir up my oats, right here I have some sugar-free syrup on there. I have some stevia, some salt, and some cinnamon right there. That's just before it's all stirred up. Let me show you guys the sugar-free syrup that I'm currently using. So Carrie's, I know you guys are already familiar with the Carrie's. So that right there does have some carbs in it. It has 3 grams of carbs per serving, which is 2 tablespoons. So I was doing the Walton's Farm, but I have not went to that grocery store that has that specific sugar-free 0-calorie syrup. So I'm doing that right there, and that's pretty legit. And then I also have my eggs ready to go. 1 whole egg, 1 cup and 1/3 of egg whites, and then I have the English muffins underneath. And that right there is meal number 1, guys. I'm gonna eat this, chill for a minute, keep sipping on my water, staying hydrated, and then I'm going to catch you guys when I prep my lunch, which is meal number 2 and meal number 3. So 2 lunches, and then I'll show you guys that because I'm going to eat that at work, so you won't see it. So I'm going to show you guys that in a bit. Let me finish up this breakfast. This is meal number 1. Let's get this in. Let me catch you guys at the next one. All right, you guys, this is what it's looking like. So we got the ground beef, we got 6 ounces, and then we have 175 grams of basmati rice cooked. Then we have 6 ounces of chicken, and we have 175 grams of sweet potato cooked. And these right here will be meal number 2 and 3, and then this will be a snack. Can't wait to eat this, but this is what it's looking like. So while I'm at work, I'm going to consume these 3 items. All right, X Factors, I have some terrible news for you guys. It is what it is, life happens, but I will not be competing on December 14th at Nationals. We will not be attempting the pro card this year. All right, we had our first attempt back in July at USA's, fell short, got 3rd, and we will re-attack maybe in 2025 or maybe in 2026, whenever in the future. And tell you the truth, whenever God says it's time for me to get back out there, because right now I have life that is happening and it's telling me you need to step back and refocus, focus on something else in your life. So my baby girl is having 2 dance recitals. 1 dance recital will be on December 14th, and the 2nd dance recital will be on the 18th. So being that she has that recital on the 14th, I will not miss my daughter's dance recital. She is training all year, or for a few months. She's training for this one day. I will be in those stands rooting her on, all right? And I will not be selfish due to my bodybuilding dreams, right? My pro card dreams. IFBB pro status, that will be in my future sometime, but guys, not this year. It's not happening. But guess what? Hey, the grind never stops, guys. We are still going to be attacking the weights extremely hard. We are still going to be shredding down, bringing that chiseled up conditioning no matter what, because this is a lifestyle. All right, stepping on stage and competing, that's one thing. But living the lifestyle, fitness and health, that's another, and that is exactly what my life is about, guys. I love being healthy, I love being fit, and I love lifting weights. So I'm going to continue to do that. I'm going to continue to push and motivate and inspire you guys, so the videos will keep coming. What I do want you guys to do is get down in those comments. Let me know what type of videos you want from me. Do you want more advice? Do you want to know how to get shredded, what foods to eat, what cardio exercises to do, what workouts to do? I'm still going to be posting on Instagram. As you see this clip right here, this is Instagram footage right here. So I'm still going to be bringing you guys the fitness and health content, but you guys just get specific with me and let me know what is it that you want to see. Because right now we have been really focused on contest prep, but a lot of you that come to me, you don't necessarily want to compete. You just want to get shredded. You want to build muscle. So we're going to continue to do that. Just that. We're going to build muscle, continue to drop that fat. But I appreciate you guys for rocking with me no matter what throughout this whole entire journey, the road to pro. We will pick back up. This is episode 66. We will pick back up when it is time. So keep watching the videos, keep subscribing if you have not subscribed already, share this video, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. I love you all so much, and thank you for the support.